Alright, this is what we're microwaving. A light bulb from a van, some whoppers, a metal sheet, this is the lug nut, and an Altoids box full of pennies. Here, we'll leave it open. Put it. Whoa, the light bulb from the car is lighting up like crazy. Ah! Got some sparks. So far uneventful. You know what we need to do?
Put some aluminum foil.
Add some aluminum foil. And a railroad nail. And some more aluminum foil.
Are we seriously putting this on YouTube?
Here we go. Oh yeah! Oh, the light bulb is like gonna explode. The light bulb is the burnt. Wow.
Oh God!
Whoa!
Dude!
That happened to the light bulb. Check it. Alright, we have round 2, y'all. Alright, we put a can. Some aluminum foil, more. We're gonna do one light bulb at a time.
Oh my God, it's still on.
Wait.
Cut it!
Here we go. Hey guys, quick question about the spider.
Dude!
Whoa, the light bulb's lighting up.
The light bulb is fishing towards me, Megan.
It does not. Oh man. Oh, look at it, Lou. It's like, whoa!
Ah, dude.
Ah! And here's our batch. Another fanciful light bulb in there.
Dude, this is gonna be so great on YouTube.
Whoa! Yeah!
It's one of those fireworks.
Please don't blow up.
Dude!
That's awesome.
Oh, dude, it's turning colors.
Uh-oh.
Neat now. It's like one of those things that...
Uh-oh.
You guys,
Ah!
it's purple. It's getting hotter.
Oh,
now
gosh.
It's green.
Oh, gosh.
You guys.
There it goes!
Oh, it's yellow!
That
Dude!
Oh. Dude!
Look at that. Look at that. It's lighting back up.
Something's about to catch on fire.
Oh, the glass is melting.
is, it's on fire now.
The glass is melting.
Nuh-uh.
It is. Look at it melting. Alright, that's good. Let's check it.
We're gonna check it. What's gonna happen?
The melted glass. Look at the molten glass.
Oh, touch it!
No, that's molten glass right there.
Oh. Yeah, dude. Yeah, I like that.
You need to bring the gas can away from the microwave when you're done.
That's gonna be so cool. Just you've got like 2.5 seconds to run. Send one to me. Well, when you do it, send it to me. Can you send text messages from the computer?
I think we need some better gas.
Yep. Dude!
Ah! It's on fire!
You gotta, what are you gonna do to get out? Get some hose or something.
Quick! Stop, drop, and roll! I'll save you, microwave!
Dude, just oh, dude.
Jump down the rocks. Ow!
Chad, you're gonna burn yourself, son.
Whoa! Fire marshal.
No, look out, look out!
No,
Oh, he broke the plate!
It was
No,
it
I
was,
didn't. You did that. It's gonna be so cool. It's gonna go pow. Wait, how much? Holy crap.
Yeah, this thing is like mad full.
You do have another one, right?
We got a bunch of them.
Oh, okay. Because this is really cool. Then we got...
It's going. You better back up.
Oh, no. Are you still there? Shut him up.
I would too.
Whoa! Dude! Oh, you gotta zoom in on that one. Megan's got the right eye.
Oh, look at
What are y'all doing?
it! It blew up!
What is it? What is it? The
A lighter.
You put a lighter in there?
No. How much lighter fluid's still left?
Dude, it's done. It lit on fire at first, and then it was like, and like the whole thing was like,
Let's do it again.
Wait. Oh!
Hold
You
on.
broke my lighter? Great.
No.
10.
Stop.
Wait, no!
They're gonna explode here in a second.
Are they
Hopefully.
doing
2 small nightlight light bulbs.
Oh, you put 2?
Yeah. Blow up, dang it! Oh, man.
Oh, man. What about the other one?
They petered out.
anything? Did they do anything?
Oh.
Dude! Dude!
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh! Whoa!
If y'all think this is cool, you should see like God's do it for us, man. Come on, guys. Come on. Why is this so stupid?
Let's surf and put this on YouTube.
It's done. Yes.
Well, look, we got damage right there. See the little thing?
It's fire! Dude! That's aluminum foil on fire.
Bud Light presents Real Men of Genius.
Real man of genius.
This Memorial Day, we salute you, Mr. Gasoline Barbecue Starter.
Mr. Gasoline Barbecue Starter.
Never mind charcoal chimneys and easy lighting briquettes. The only way to start a real barbecue is with a gallon of 93 octane and a big book of matches.
Very low IQ.
So crack open an ice cold Bud Light, oh Prince of the Pyrotechnics, because no one makes a backyard mushroom cloud like you.
Mr. Gasoline Barbecue Starter.
Bud Light Beer, Anheuser-Busch, Cartersville, Georgia.